This Equitas Realty property video is presented by Karen I. Foster. Very well maintained, one-floor living home. This home has 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Large eat-in kitchen with sliding glass doors that will lead you to the side yard. The kitchen has an island, large pantry and laundry room. This home sits on 1.09 acre with a privacy fence that surrounds the backyard. There is a back deck and a patio, which is a great spot for the hot tub, which BTW can be negotiated within the sale of the home. There are 2 sheds that will remain with the home along with a chicken coop and a rabbit coop. The concrete basement is a crawl space, very dry, great for extra storage with an exterior entrance. If you are looking for a home that is 1-story living, easy maintained and offers much privacy, then this is the home for you. For more information, review the details below.